Now this isn't something which I've previously done on my channel, but I thought it would be a great addition to it. Hey guys, I'm the Vani and today we'll be opening a mystery box worth 3 lakh rupees. Now before we get in the video, I just want to give props to Hypillar for making this mystery box for this video. He's one of the best sellers in the game and you can check him out on the Instagram. I'll also leave his link in the description. Now I have no idea what's inside the boxes. All I know is that the sizes are either UK 8.5, 9 or 9.5. Basically whatever I could fit in. Now let's get into the unboxing part. I have received total of 8 individual boxes which have been numbered as you can see. And based on this I'm assuming that the first is the cheapest pair and the 8th is the most expensive pair of this lot. Also after I'm done shooting the video, I'll ask him how he has priced the pairs and I'll put the prices along with the pairs on the screen. Now let's start with the first pair. Let's unbox it. It is a pair of Yeezy slides. Now these are Yeezy slides resin, not one of the best colorways. Personally I would prefer either pure or bone. Now these are UK 10 and these generally fit snug, so he has sent a size 10 so I could fit in these. Moving on to second pair. Now based on the box, these are Air Jordan 1 lows and these are Air Jordan 1 Craft lows, I suppose. It's a minimal colorway, earthy tones. It's a decent pair, I won't say it's too hyped. Now let's move to the third box. Okay, so we have a t-shirt as well. And Rajiv also Hypillar has his own brand, which is Babco. And this is a beautiful t-shirt. It has this forever mood and some emojis. I put a link to his website as well. He has some good designs. Based on the box, these are either Jordan lows or Jordan mids. Now let's get into it. Okay, now these are true blue lows and explains why he has sent a blue t-shirt with these. And it is one of the clean colorways. You can never go wrong with blue and grey. Moving to the fourth box. Now again we have a pair of Jordan lows. Let's see which one it is. Okay, so these are Tokyo lows. It is one of the most beautiful colorways which has released in 2023 in Jordan lows. It is a beautiful colorway. Gives a lot of off-white vibes because of this unfinished tongue and the earthy tones. The whole aesthetic looks like off-white. And moving on to the fifth pair. Again a pair of Jordan, either Jordan mids or Jordan lows. Now these are Jordan 1 lows, diamond lows I suppose. It is a beautiful pair as well. As you can see, it's white and black. It kind of reflects, hence the whole diamond lows. And the black part is all suede or nubuck, but it is very soft and the leather as well is very soft. It's not like the cheap plasticky material which Nike generally uses. Soles are icy. It's a beautiful pair. Now moving on to the sixth pair. Now it is a pair of Yeezy 350s and let's see which one it is. Now these are Yeezy 350 Desert Sage. I would say it is one of the cleanest colorway apart from this orange part. Other than that, it's a clean colorway. And yeah, I won't mind having these in my collection. Now I didn't have much space, so I kept the last two boxes aside. Let's bring them back. We have our seventh box, so let's see what's inside. Okay, so it's a pair of off-white dunk lots and let's see which lot it is. It's lot 23. I'm really a fan of grey pairs. Now this is one of the cleanest colorway when it comes to dunks which Off-White has done. Like as compared to the previous dunks which they have done, like the pine greens, the even LVs. I would say lot 50 is the most beautiful colorway. Now let's move to the last pair and hopefully the most expensive pair of this lot. Now box 8, the last box. Okay, we have another t-shirt here. It is outside drip, inside drip. And I would say this is one of the best designs from his collection. I'll link the website in the description. Now based on the box, it's Jordan 1 Union. Okay, so these are Jordan 1 Unions. Storm blue, I suppose. One of the best sneakers in the box, obviously because of the price as well as hype and overall as well. So I guess I was kind of right. Like the boxes goes from the cheapest to the most expensive ones. And I'm really happy that the box ended with these. Like I said, one of the best pairs out there, one of the best collaborations as well. And yeah, that's it for the video. I will put the links of Hyperalert and Babco in the description. You can go and have a look if you want to. Now this is the very first time I'm doing this whole mystery box video, and I have no idea how it went, if you guys liked it or not. But just in case you liked it and would like to watch more of such content, I would request you to like the video and subscribe the channel, and I'll see you around.